long as your girl shoes match your dress.
89.5
Rocks.
Mga Taga-Luzon, narito na ngayon ang produkto na ginawa ng mga dalubhasa. Maingat na pinoproseso at pinag-aralan sa mahabang panahon para mapabuti at maprotektahan ang inyong kalusugan. Narito na ngayon ang tinaguriang The Miracle Roots. Nasa capsule na Red Alingatong Plus Capsule. Red Alingatong Plus Capsule. Available na sa mga suking butika. FDA approved from GreenMed Pharma.
Red Alingatong Capsule now available nationwide. Available sa inyong suking drugstores. Alright, available in the Subic Bay Freeport area, Olongapo, Bataan, and Zambales. Red Alingatong Capsule. Gagaling ka dito.
Greetings. This is Kevin Gregg from Mississippi in the United States of America. Tuned into DJ Tommy G on 89.5 Subic Bay Radio.
Coffee? Check. Shower? Check. The best morning show on the radio? Check. Start your mornings right.
Right here on 89.5 FM.
89.5 Subic Bay Radio, 11:29 on the dot. Welcome back, people. The Morning Brew Show. Time for some of the latest pieces of news and info from in and around Subic Bay Freeport. A couple of back-to-back courtesy visit to our dear SBMA Chairman and Administrator. SBMA Chairman and Administrator Eduardo Jose Alino welcomed officials from the Investment and Capital Corporation of the Philippines, or ICCP, during their courtesy visit at the Chairman's Office of the Administration Building. All right. Also, he welcomed our dear SBMA Chairman and Administrator Eduardo Jose Alino welcomed National Housing Authority, NHA, General Manager Joben Tai during his courtesy visit at the Chairman's Office. Ayan. So, back-to-back, NHA's General Manager Joben Tai and our dear Chairman and Administrator also welcomed the officials of the ICCP, Investment and Capital Corporation of the Philippines. And a couple more invites for you guys. The wait is over. The spectacular Night Safari is back this summer. All right, special promo alert. 1,990 pesos only for 5 persons, inclusive all attractions and Night Safari show. Available for advance purchase only. So valid every Saturday night, March 2 to May 25. Ayan, you have a long way to go, huh? 2024. So book your tickets now. www.zoomanitypayment.com or call them up 08275-8480. Okay, so it's back. The Subic Safari, Night Safari, all Saturdays with special shows on... kailan yung special shows? Tapos na yung special shows. But anyways, it's happening all Saturdays of up until May 25. Okay? The Subic Safari, Night Safari. Yan. Sana meron pa kaya yung Running with the Tigers. Bahala na akong abutan. Gandang promo yun, And also, our friends at Labs Spa and Skincare is inviting all of you, yung mga nangangailangan ng masahe, no? Yan. After a long day of work, kailangan din naman natin ng relax and relaxation, syempre, di ba? And what best way to have relaxation than with a massage, di ba? Thai massage, Swedish massage, or whatever kind of massage, they have it there, okay? Labs, Spa, and Skincare, okay? So, if you want to book your reservations, you may call them up, 0956-018-5964. Call or text, okay? And, if you're gonna go there personally, that's the best thing. Pwede ka naman mag-walk-in, 2757 Rizal Avenue, West Bahak, Olongapo City. Ayan. Doon yan sa area na kung tawagin natin ay Sibul. Malapit na doon, sa papuntang Sibul. Basta 2757 Rizal Avenue, West Bahak, Olongapo City. Okay? So, Labs, Spa, and Skincare. Contact si Madam Mads Blanco. Meron ding email for reservations. Blanco Dalin 97. Ulitin ko nga. Blanco, B-L-A-N-C-O, Mag, M-A-G, Dalin, D-A-L-Y-N, 97 at gmail.com. Yay! Alright, so There you go, the Labs Spa and Skincare. Yan. Yan ang bago kong Labs. Labs na spa and skincare with massage. Okay, and moving on. Time for a couple more invites for you guys. Coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. Okay, check out the Yaris Cross. It's on display there at SM City Olongapo Central. Am I right? Yes, nasa Central. Revolutionize the way you drive with the Toyota Yaris Cross HEV CVT. Okay? Join SM City Olongapo Central from April 17 to April 23 and experience firsthand the perfect fusion of style, performance, and eco-friendliness. Yan. From its sleek design to its advanced hybrid technology, every aspect of the Yaris Cross is crafted to elevate your driving experience. So, come and see the Yaris Cross at the SM City Olongapo Central on display from April 17 to April 23. Okay? All right. And also, if you have plans of, going to the movies, alam mo naman, mag-weekend na maraming nanonood pag weekends no? Ayan. Here's the lineup of movies. April 18 to 23 at SM City Olongapo Central. Cinema 1, Abigail. Cinema 2, Civil War. Back-to-back with The First Omen. Cinema 3, Ghostbusters. Ghostbusters! Big fan of that movie franchise. Frozen Empire. Okay, Cinema 4, Godzilla X Kong, The New Empire. And Cinema 5, Under Parallel Skies. Cinema 6, Arcadian. Back-to-back with The Ministry of Ungentlemanly Warfare. Alright. Okay, that's from April 18 to 23, SM Central Cinema. Okay? And visit Sports Central for an extra 15% off on any Under Armour product. Yan. I love Under Armour. Yan yung official shoes ni paring Stephen Curry. Oh, sadly, laglag na yung GSW, no? Talo sila sa Sacramento Kings. I think yung pinaka heyday nila, no, the Golden State Warriors heyday talaga is nawawala na yata, no, parang pababa na. Well, kanya-kanyang time lang naman yan di ba? Alright. So yung mga dating yung mga bashers nila dati pa ever since, tuwang-tuwa. Excuse me. Well, kanya-kanya lang namang prime yan di ba? Kanya-kanyang time yan Tapos na yung time nila. At least, they became champions. Di ba? Kung matalo ka man, malaglag ka man, hindi naman ibig sabihin nun, sumuko sila. Hindi naman sila sumuko yan. Talagang talunan yung mga sumuko. Di ba? Ganun lang yun Ganun lang ang laro ng buhay. So, Sports Central at SM City Olongapo Central. Okay? And our home is having the 3-day sale. Kasabay syempre ng SM City Olongapo Central 3-day sale from April 19 to 21. Get special discounts from April 19 to 21 at our home. Third level of SM City Olongapo Central. Okay? Also in line with the 3-day sale, meron din of course ang Ace Hardware 3-day sale at all SM outlets. Yan. Kasi Ace Hardware to so I guess kasama yung ibang yung ibang outlets din So pero mainly visit the Ace Hardware at SM City Olongapo Central for the 3-day sale, April 19 to 21, up to 40% off on selected items, okay? And also My Girl Milk Tea and Coffee is now open at SM City Olongapo Downtown. Okay, if you guys wanna try My Girl, I know it sounds new to you. My Girl. Uy, pang Friday Rewind song yan Oo nga, Teka, lagay natin Sige nga, mailagay nga natin. My Girl. Teka, dyan lang kayo, okay magulo. Nilalagay ko yung My Girl. Meron kasing My Girl, milk tea and coffee dito Ayan. Sino ba yung kumanta nun? My Girl, My Girl. Basta lagay natin, The Temptations. Pang Friday Rewind song So visit My Girl, Level 2 of SM City Olongapo Downtown. Also on display now at the SM City Olongapo Central is the all-new Mitsubishi Triton. It will be on display from April 16 to 22. Such a handsome pickup truck. The Mitsubishi Triton. Visit SM City Olongapo Central now. Okay? And for all of you fans of Enhypen, the Engines Fan Fest is happening April 28, Sunday, 3 p.m. at the level 2 of SM City, Olongapo downtown. That's where to go, huh? So mark your calendars. It's on April 28, Sunday. Not this coming Sunday, next Sunday. Yeah. Level 2 of SM City, Olongapo downtown. Engines Fan Fest. The Engines of Enhypen. Yan yung tawag nila sa fans ng Enhypen eh. The engines, okay? And also another car display at the SM City Olongapo Central, the Geely GX3 Pro for as low as 48K down payment. Yan. So, I like the Geely brand of cars. Magaganda, no? Oh, kaya lang, walang 48K si DJ Tommy G. Pero yeah, visit SM City Olongapo Central now. It's on display there. The Geely GX3 Pro. Okay? So there you have it. Those are the invites coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. Time for me to press play on the next Cool Friday Rewind songs, set of songs. All right, here's one. The Temptations, My Girl, 895 Subic Bay Radio.